Hey guys, it's Sam here from Tutor Terrace, bringing you a video solution to a problem we posted on Facebook. You see the problem on the screen. If you haven't worked it through already, give the video a pause because the solution is coming up now. For problems like this, they look tricky, but they become easy when you add more things to the diagram. So the trick here is we want to extend this line so that it intersects the bottom line. And now we see that the 40-degree angle at the top must be the same 40-degree angle here at the intersection. Now the x degrees angle, well, by opposite angles being equal, we also have x degrees here. And in the third spot, what do we have? Well, 60 plus that has to be 180. So we're going to have 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, equaling this angle, and that is 120 degrees. And then finally, how do we get x? Well, the sum of the angles in a triangle is, of course, 180 degrees. So we add them up. That's x degrees plus 40 degrees plus what was that last angle? We calculated as 120 degrees has to equal 180 degrees. And so we see then that x for it all to add up must be 20. And that's the solution.